Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Okay, the next topic, guys, is former Uber security chief found guilty in criminal trial for failure to disclose breach to FTC. You want to read this real quick?
Oh, is this about when they got hacked?
Yes.
And like the stuff got leaked? Okay, yeah. So on October 5th,
nighttime reading.
What?
A little nighttime before bed reading.
Yeah, here's a nice bedtime story. So on October 5th, 2022, former Uber security chief Joe Sullivan was found guilty by a jury in U.S. federal court for his alleged failure to disclose a breach of Uber customer and driver data to the FTC in the midst of an ongoing FTC investigation into the company. Sullivan was charged with one count of obstructing an FTC investigation and one count of misprision.
Where?
The act of concealing a felony from a... Oh, okay.
Wow. What sentence are you on? Are you done here?
No, I'm at the beginning of this paragraph, the second paragraph.
Oh, Sullivan affected a breach, yeah.
Yeah,
they demanded a ransom of $100,000?
That's not that much. Like, I mean, okay, yeah, 100,000 is a lot of money, but it's like Uber has that money.
Maybe they thought Uber was going to be like, yep, sounds good. What's your crypto wallet address? Like, I don't know.
The hackers, yeah, no, but like.
Oh, they did pay the ransom.
Oh.
Wow. Sullivan's team allegedly paid the ransom and had the hackers sign an NDA.
What the heck?
Some insider stuff.
Wait, then how did it? But they still leaked it anyways?
No, this got leaked like years later. Yeah, the hackers got caught basically. So, and then Uber didn't publicly, so the thing is, Uber didn't publicly disclose this until 2017 when Dara Khosrowshahi joined the company.
Oh.